Welcome back, my faithful subscriber and legends. All right, congratulations, big congratulations to those XRP investors who traded on futures on the guidance of this channel, who made an entrance literally right here. What an amazing point of entry right there, literally right there at the Pico bottom, who's ridden up to this level here. I mean, you're enjoying a whopping gain of around about that 24% on spot. If you're leveraged at 10x, if you trade futures on Bitunix like everybody else does, congratulations, you've done incredibly well. You got a 240% gain within a span of literally about how long is that? Literally across about 40 hours or so. So congratulations. It is playing out exactly as we had anticipated, literally as we had anticipated. So we're testing the all-time highs. I haven't redrawn these lines from the previous video, literally exactly the same video. If you don't believe, here is the video that was going through it literally 2 days ago. If it will load. That's right. So that was the price action that we were at, literally at that bottom right there of the leg up that we've just had. And you guys are riding this level of gains. What an amazing time. We didn't think it was going to break up above this early, because Bitcoin wasn't as strong. I would say didn't make a move quite up to this level up here where we thought it was going to test this level. I don't think the narrative is over yet. I mean, the impulse wave, I think, still has a bit more to go. Having a look at the actual RSI level on Bitcoin as well, I think there's still more room to go as well. So for those of you investing in Bitcoin or who entered into a futures position when I had drawn that circle 2 days ago, then you have done really well. So well done for doing that. I think because what Bitcoin does is quite important, but as you can see, like I said before, when the Bitcoin sort of moves along the sideways, and we anticipate that it will for the next 6 or 7 months, a lot of people get really freaking bored, and the money then rushes towards the altcoins, right? So that's exactly right. So we thought that was going to be a test up there. So I mean, I'm just gonna stretch the time frames a little bit. Yep, so it did test up there. We're still enjoying that face melting gain, which is awesome. It looks like it's still testing this region there, but we have a upward trend right now. Okay, our trend has shifted from down to up in the medium term. Okay, right now. So if the candle actually closes above this level here after 2 hours and 42 minutes, then it looks like we may be flirting with the nearest all-time high here. Then this will be a region that it could play in. However, it may break below this level as well, or it may even break below to test this rising level of, I guess, highs as a support, and then might be looking at bounces again. If we then break above this, we may even fake out, or not necessarily fake out, but break out above this level, making some of the long positions right now very attractive. Now, one thing that I do look out for when price actions do move this way is the RSI levels very closely, to see if there has been any divergence actually happening or not. So we've actually seen that the two higher highs have been formed. Literally, this is a very short-term trade, guys. So these two higher highs have been formed. And what I thought it would do is, the RSI would go like the way it has done, like so, but it won't be as high, and it will just come down and sort of fizzle out this way. In that case, then we have a bearish divergence, which means that the steam has run out. But we've actually seen the RSI form a higher high. So in that situation, there's probably a little bit more room left to go in terms of where we sit at the moment as well. So in terms of how this could play out, I do generally see a potential sort of a correction, potentially a retracement down to this level, which arguably it already has done that, but it may come down to this level before we then rise above this channel as well. So what I'm looking at is, I'm gonna check a Fibonacci retracement levels here. Okay, all right, no worries. From here to here, I'm going to draw from here to here. Let's have a look at which levels we're working with. Okay, that's interesting. I think this level, yeah, okay. it may be possible that we're actually going to be, you know, just a click above, I reckon, the previous previous high here. And I'm not really liking the Fibonacci retracement, so it's not really that helpful as to how we've been moving. But at the moment, yes, if you've you know, if you have taken half profits here, once again, well done. This is an amazing leg up. So look, again, for those of you who missed out, it's because you didn't trade. Okay, if you want to trade, guys, I'm hooking you guys up at the bottom of this video. If you scroll down, there it is. The link will take you to this amazing exchange, okay, called Bitunix. Everybody on this channel trade on Bitunix, okay, and I've hooked you boys up, hooked you guys up with a bonus, 20% bonus. What a whopping bonus. Bitunix is an up and coming exchange. Everyone is getting on there like crazy. Some of the whales on YouTube are trading on it as well. If you use the referral link, only exclusively available to CoinVector subscribers. In the link in the description below, you'll be able to enjoy these amazing deposit bonuses. You know, it's better to have that leg up when you do trade with it. And so go take advantage of that. Bitunix is incredibly liquid, proof of reserves, and no KYC exchange. So there's no reason why you wouldn't take your trades into Bitunix. In fact, this video that I'm making right now, all the you know, charting and stuff like that is all done on Bitunix. So it's actually a beautiful exchange. It does everything wonderfully. And so that's, you know, if you're looking for an exchange, or if you want to switch over to a new exchange, taking benefit and advantage of those deposit bonuses, by all means, go ahead into it. So where to next from here? We're gonna see how the price action retraces on XRP. Looks like if this confirms above, then we may be seeing a price action move within this region, although that region is incredibly tight. So I would always be watching out for which you know, regions is it breaking out of. So is it going to break out above, or is it going to break out below? And those will then give me a guidance as to how to activate my trades to gain those profits. But it's amazing to see this wedge formation break out above. If I was in front of the computer and trading, you know, over here, I could have added more positions in there, identifying that as a potential breakout and being able to jump onto that. Actually, if you to identify there's a breakout, you could actually see it as a, you know, smaller time frame. Here you go. So this is the confirmation that you're looking for. This candlestick right here, the green one, bang, right there, because that bounces down and you've got a bearish engulfing pattern on that. I'm gonna zoom into that a little bit more, because I've noticed that, you know, I've got a 4K screen, and a lot of you are watching this on your mobile phone. So that's a bearish, bullish engulfing pattern. As soon as I see that is a confirmation above, then I would have then entered into yet another trade, doubling down on the same strategy that we had, enjoying this amazing, this upward trend that we got going on, as represented by the Bollinger Bands as well. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, turn all the notifications on. See you later.